A stand on Old Seward Highway in Palmer has nothing but fresh, and more fresh produce. Meet Bruce Bush, owner of Bush's Bunches. He and his wife recently won the 2024 Palmer Family Award.
We try to sell all the Alaskan products here.
The store offers plenty of vegetables, everything from zucchini, squash, to turnips, to even Alaskan baked bread.
It's been a real pleasure to kind of make sure that people have the really good Alaskan products out there.
It is also home to their popular Bush's peanut potatoes. Bruce's love for potatoes started at an early age.
My saying is there's potatoes and everything else is garnish.
And the store also sells some fresh rhubarb lemonade. Delicious. From lemonade, the store has made a frozen treat.
I've been talking to them for a few years about trying to make them into popsicles, and we tried it out last year as kind of a gimmick to see how it would go, and they've really hit it off.
Bush's Bunches also offers rhubarb. Rhubarb is a tart spring vegetable.
The reddest is the best. You get such a beautiful color.
The Bushes are hoping to expand their business by opening another stand in Wasilla. LaShawn Donaldson, Your Alaska Link, Palmer.